Naragsak nga aldaw mga kabsat, ita nga aldaw kat excited na to introduce someone who I believe will be an incredible asset to any team. Ma'am Mildred Merald Inocencio o mas kilala sa tawag na Ma'am Merald. Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng guidance, mentorship, or someone to help you become an effective and efficient financial advisor? You're in for a treat. Ma'am Merald is a seasoned professional with a wealth of experience in management and leadership. Her approach is all about nurturing talents, fostering growth, and guiding individuals to reach their full potential. I'm really excited about the opportunity for all of you na makilala siya ng lubusan at gusto ko pong ibahagi sa inyo how Ma'am Merald has been a fantastic mentor to me and how her methods can help you as well. When I started working, sabik po ako ngunit hindi ko po alam how to excel in my role. Even though Ma'am Merald and I, hindi po kami magkasama sa iisang office. Yes po, haan kami nga agkadwa iti maysa nga office, ngem iti suportana ken iti guidance na made a huge difference. Through regular check-ins, insightful feedback, and thoughtful advice, she helped me to develop crucial skills and strategies for my job. Habang tumatagal ay nakikilala ko po ang tunay na Ma'am Merald. Isuna ket managayat, adaan puso, nagaget, nasingpet ken managparabor a tao. Kahit sa mo makikita yan si Ma'am Merald, lagi siya nakangiti. At lagi niyang sinasabi na dapat laging happy or dapat happy lang. One thing that I learned from Ma'am Merald was the importance of efficiency. She taught me how to prioritize tasks, manage time effectively, and maintain a high standard of work. Her mentoring ay hindi tungkol sa kung ano ang dapat kong gawin, but about helping me understand why things need to be done in a certain way. So, if you're looking for someone who can help you grow, Ma'am Merald is the person you want to connect with. Dedicated to nurturing talents and guiding individuals to be the best they can be. Mga kabsat, I'm confident that she can help you achieve your goals. In every aspect of her life, Ma'am Merald embodies the qualities of a true leader. She is hardworking, dedicated, and always strives for excellence. But more than that, isuna aji tao nga panpanunutin na iti pagsayaatan iti sabali nga tao when kasta isuna her positive attitudes and unwavering commitment to making difference inspire everyone around her. Let's take a moment to appreciate not only her professional achievements but also the wonderful person she is. So mga kabsat, don't forget to join to our Zoom meeting mamaya po at 7 p.m. for Sun Life Orientation. Mga kabsat, napakagandang opportunity po ito para sa ating lahat, para malaman natin kung ano po ba yung kailangan natin gawin at kung ano po ba yung makukuha natin as a financial advisor po ng Sun Life. Kita-kita po tayo mamayang 7 p.m. At yan lang po. Maraming salamat po. Bye!